Hi. Welcome, guys, to week 7 of Flex Learning. This week, you got two major things due over here. You can see by Tuesday, if you give me feedback after you finish the review, I'll talk about that in a second, and the solutions test due at the end of the week. So one new thing on the course this week is this contact thing. And here it has my email, just in case you don't have that. Schoology message works okay. I don't get notifications for that, though. But I also have a Google number here through this school. So if you have a question or if you just want to chat or something like that, that'd be a great way to do it as well. It works similar to text or phone number. I have an app on my phone that I can use. Just FYI, if you text me at like late, probably not going to answer. Okay. But during school day, I'm certainly available. Anyway, so week 7, let's take a look here. So you're watching the walkthrough right now. I'm just going to go into the course. What we have here, Monday, Tuesday, we're doing the unit review. So complete the review, check your answers with the key or by watching this walkthrough. And then when you finish, answer this, take this quiz. So the way this works is that there's 2 questions, and I'll change that so it's accepting. It's basically say like, how do you feel about the material, 1 through 5, no wrong answers. Which of these topics would you like more review for? And then I can create the practice test for Thursday based off of that. So in this folder, there's currently nothing. The practice test, I want to put on there the things that people need extra review for. So Monday and Tuesday, your job is to do the review, check your work. Might be a day's work for you, might be 2 days. It's pretty short. Thursday, I'll put a practice test in there at the end of the day Tuesday based off of feedback that people give me. And then by Friday, you have to take the test. If you do the review on Monday and you're like, I'm just going to fill out this thing right now, this little check-in form, and then I'm going to take the test, go for it. Like, that's fine with me. I just want you to, by Friday, have taken the test. And then next week, we'll start with test corrections and then go into our last unit of the year, right? Last unit of the year. Let's go. Yeah, that's it. Anyway, love you guys. Miss you. If you need anything from me, let me know. I've just been working on, I don't know, learned how to shoot this week. So maybe I'll post a video of that. It'll be pretty gross. All right, bye.